Okay, so this how-to video is to show you how you can share a document with either the teacher or with one of your classmates if you're working on a Google slide together. Okay, there will be times in this class where you need to work on a slide project or a document with your fellow classmates. So how we're going to do that? Very simple. So you should already know how to create a Google Slides or a Google Doc. Once you've created it, what you want to do is you're going to come over to the share button. And if you notice right now when I'm hovering over it, it says private only to me, which means you, the owner, can only view this. So if I wanted to share this with a classmate so that we can work on it together, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here where it says add people and groups. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here and I'm going to type in, or if they pop up, that's great, but I'm going to type in the address. So if I wanted to share this document with Miss Chandler, I would type in her name and type in her email. So I don't want to make sure I don't type in Miss Chandler. I want to type in the email address that she uses. So I would type in this vchandler@carson.k12.nv.us. You can add as many people as you like onto this. It doesn't matter. Okay, so once you have the amount of people that you want to share this document with, you're going to come over here to the side and see this says editor right now. You want to click this drop down. So you have three options. When you share a document with someone, they can be a viewer, which means they can just see the document. They can't change it, they can't edit it. They have a commenter, so they can see the document and they can add comments on what they think you should fix or what you think you should do, but they still cannot change or write on any of the slides. And then finally, the last option you have is editor. And this is someone that can also add slides, take away slides, create slides. So 9 times out of 10, you're going to want to make sure that this says editor. If you have this box that says notify people, this is going to send them an email letting them know that you shared it. If you want to write a message in here, you can. Hey, Miss Chandler. This is the slide document we will be working on together. Okay. Then from here, you will just press send. And if you notice, it says person added. So now when you go over to the share button, it says shared with one person. So now Miss Chandler and I can work on the same document together. Okay, so that is how you share a document with someone.